Assalamualaikum friends, I am Muhammad Naeem and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel RAC Electrotech and press the bell icon for latest updates. Today we will discuss about how to know indoor PCB is faulty or outdoor PCB and power module is faulty. We have removed the top cover of electrical box and we will check the condition of LED who's located in our indoor PCB. Here you can watch the green LED. We will check its condition. If this LED is in off condition, it's mean our indoor PCB is faulty. If this LED is in on condition, it's mean our indoor PCB is faulty. It should be always in flashing condition. Firstly, we will turn on the unit and check the LED condition. If this LED is on or off condition, it's mean our indoor PCB is faulty. This LED should be in flashing condition, always in flashing condition. Here you can watch, we have turned the unit on and indoor PCB's LED is not flashing. It's mean our indoor PCB is faulty. Let's check the outdoor PCB and power module. Here you can watch power module connector. It consists 3 terminals. Firstly, we will check 1 and 2 terminals voltage and then we will check 2 and 3 voltage, 2 and 3 terminals voltage. On 1 and 2 terminals we will receive 5 volt DC and on 2 and 3 terminals we will receive 15 volt DC. If we are receiving 5 volt DC and 15 volt DC, it's mean our outdoor PCB is okay. Here you can watch blue and yellow wires. This is N and P wires. It's also connected on our power modules N and P points. These two wires giving 320 volt DC to our power modules. Firstly, we will set the multimeter selector switch on DC volt and check the voltage between the 2 points N and P points. One probe is, we will connect one probe on N and the second probe we will connect on P points. If the voltage is coming 320 volt DC, it's mean our outdoor main PCB is okay and power module is faulty. This is a red color LED who's located near our main IC. It's always in flashing condition if the error is coming. Here is another LED. If this LED is on condition, it's mean our outdoor PCB is okay and power module is faulty. If this LED is in off condition, it's mean our outdoor PCB and power modules both are faulty. In this condition, we will replace both PCBs. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.